This video I will explain what is generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create a new content. The content can be a text, images, music, videos, computer code, stories, and answers to questions. In simple words, generative AI can create something new instead of only finding existing information. What does generative mean? The word generative means able to create. The word artificial intelligence means computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. When these two words come together, it is generative AI. Generative AI means a computer system that can create a new content. Now we will see the simple real life example. Imagine a student who has read thousands of books. You ask the student, write a story about a robot and a dog. The student does not copy a story from a book. Instead, the student creates a brand new story using the previous knowledge. Generative AI works in a similar way. The AI learns patterns from large amounts of information and then creates a new content. Now we will see the another example. Suppose you ask, write a birthday message for my friend. Generative AI can create a new message like this. The AI creates a fresh answer instead of searching for an exact sentence. Now we will see how does generative AI work. Step 1. Learn from large amounts of data. AI studies books, articles, websites, images, and many other sources. During training, AI learns patterns. For example, how sentences are formed, how pictures look, how conversation happen, how programming code is written. Step 2. Receive a prompt. A prompt is an instruction or question given to AI. For example, write a poem, create an image of a cat, explain gravity. The prompt tells AI what you want. Step 3. Generate new content. After receiving the prompt, AI creates a response. The response can be a paragraph, an image, a song, a computer program, or a summary. This process is called generation. Now we will see the real life example. Chef analogy. Imagine a chef who has learned thousands of recipes. You ask the chef, make a new pasta dish. The chef uses previous knowledge and creates a new recipe. The chef does not copy one existing recipe exactly. Generative AI works in a similar way. AI uses learned patterns to create something new. What can generative AI create? Generative AI can create many types of content. Text, writing emails, articles, stories, and summaries. Images, creating artwork, illustrations, and design. Code, writing computer programs. Music, creating songs and melodies. Videos, generating animations and video content. Many generative AI applications are available today. For example, AI chatbots, AI image generators, AI coding assistants, and AI writing tools. These tools help users to create content quickly. Now we will see where generative AI is used. Education, creating study notes and explanation. Business, writing emails and reports. Customer support, answering customer questions. Software development, helping programmers to write code. Marketing, creating advertisements and content. Healthcare, summarizing medical information. What are the benefits of generative AI? First one, saves time. AI can create content within seconds. Second one, improves productivity. People can complete tasks faster. Third one, helps with creativity. AI can suggest ideas and content. Fourth one, available anytime. AI systems can work day and night. What are the limitations of generative AI? Generative AI also has some limitations. First one, incorrect information. AI may sometimes create wrong answers. Second one, outdated knowledge. Some AI systems may not know recent events. Third one, Human review is important. People should verify important information before using it. Now we will see the difference between generative AI and traditional AI. Traditional AI recognizes patterns, classifies information, and makes predictions. For example, spam detection, face recognition, and fraud detection. Generative AI creates new content, generates text, images, and code, produces original responses. For example, writing articles, creating images, and generating computer code. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.